Toshiba X9900L Super IR OLED 4K TV. Main specifications are display technology OLED, resolution Ultra HD 4K 3040x2160, image refresh frequency 120 Hz, HDR system HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision. Supply range voltage frequency 100, 240 F 50 Hz, 60 Hz. Maximum time delay, power on to sound and image is 30 sec. OLED 4K superior. OLED picture, immersive sound of artistic design. Regza engine. Regza engine OLED is Toshiba's revolutionary engine that delivers breathtaking OLED picture and sound quality. Regza Power Audio Extreme combined the true bass processor and TRU screen sound with Regza 3.1.2. Toshiba OLED TV utilizes a remarkable array of 8 million self-luminous pixels, working together harmoniously to deliver an extraordinary visual experience. True wide viewing angle, IMAX enhanced, ultimate motion, 120 Hz, AI picture optimizer, AI ultra essential PQ technology. New Toshiba Z870 MiniLED 4K gaming TV with 144 Hz refresh rate. Main specifications are resolution 4K, display technology, Mini-LED, refresh rate 144 Hz, HDR support, HDR10, Dolby Vision. Gaming features variable refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, ALLM, game optimizer, game mode, presets. Technology AMD FreeSync technology. Connectivity, WEF, Bluetooth 5.2, Ethernet. Screen resolution 4K, 3840 x 2160 pixels. Other display features ALLM, AMD FreeSync, VRR, MEMC Z870 MiniLED 4K TV equipped connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1 ports, USB ports, and Bluetooth connectivity. The TV also gaming features, including Game Mode Pro that supports ALLM, AMD FreeSync technology, and VRR. Models available in 55,65 fps 75 inches.